Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a collage. First thing you're going to do is click Create New. Go ahead and make a sheet of paper. 10 by 8 inches, resolution always 300. Go ahead and click Create. You should have your pictures in a folder. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open this folder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag all of my images in at once. You can do them all separately, or if you want to do them all at the same time, just highlight and drag them in. For each image, make sure you press Enter to place the image. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and move some of my images out of the way so that I have my first image to start with. So in order to make a collage, I'm going to click Command T. I'm going to shrink my image. Make sure you're keeping the integrity of the photo. And you have a couple of options for making your collage. You can go right to the edge, or you can leave yourself a border. If you're going to leave yourself a border, I would recommend pulling down a ruler so that you have some type of guidance. Next image, Command T. And now you could start being creative. You can put them next to each other. You can put them above and underneath. Your photos should not be overlapping. I want to make sure I can see all of your images. If you don't want them to line up perfectly or snap to the grid, you can use your arrows on your keyboard to move them around. Once you're done, go ahead, click Enter. Once all of your images are a proper size, you can go ahead and move them around as much as you want. They should be edited before you bring them into this document. I actually forgot a photo down here, so I'm going to hit Command T, shrink it. When you guys are creating your collage, they don't have to be the same size, all of the images, but if you like the aesthetic of having them very similar, you could put them in line with each other. You could make them all even if you would like. So for example, if I wanted this moved down, you're more than welcome to make them even. So then I'm going to pick up my crop tool. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to crop off the bottom of this photo because I don't see it as necessary. I'm going to go ahead, click Enter once I've decided this is my crop. And since a lot of my photos have white backgrounds, I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom, click on my backgrounds layer, unlock it, pick up my paint bucket tool, change the color to a nice medium gray, something not too distracting, and I'm going to go ahead and paint in my background. So now I can see the outside of the photos. If I don't like the way this looks, I can choose something lighter and add that in there, just to give it a little bit of variation between my photos and the background. And so this is my collage. I'm going to File, Save As. Always save it as a Photoshop, and then go back, Save As again, and save it as a JPEG. Thanks for watching.